Hi guys, this is Dhanavandhan. Today I am going to talk about AI and DS, which means Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in the topic of mathematics. Artificial Intelligence. Behind all of the significant advances, there is a mathematics. The concept of linear algebra, calculus, game theory, probability, statistics, advanced logistic, regression and gradient descent are all major data science underpinnings. Mathematics helps in understanding, logical reasoning and attention to detail it, enhance your ability to think and under pressure, and increase your mental endurance. Mathematical concepts give the real solution of hypothetical or visual problem. It is about structure, developing principles that remain true even if you make any alternation in the components. The three main branches of mathematics that constitute a thriving careers in AI, linear algebra, calculus and probability. So, how does mathematics fit into this? Mathematics is very important in the field of data science as concept with mathematics AID in identifying patterns and assist in creation algorithms. The understanding of various notation of statistics and probability theory are the key for implementation of such algorithms in data science. Notation include regression, maximum likelihood, estimation, the understanding of distribution, binomial, Bernoulli, Gaussian, and normal Bayes theorem. Machine learning is a field that focuses on computer having the ability to learn, operate without being programmed to do so. Mathematical concepts important for data science: linear algebra, probability theory, calculus. Linear algebra. Linear algebra is the field of applied mathematics, which is something AI expert cannot live without. You will never become a good specialist without mastering in this field. As Skylar Speakman says, linear algebra is the mathematical of 21st century. Linear algebra helps in generating new ideas. That's why it's must learning of things for AI scientists and researchers. They can abstract data and models with the concept of scalar, vector, tensor, matrices, sets and sequences. Topology. Game theory, graph theory, functions, linear transformation, eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Vectors. In linear programming, vectors are used to deal with inequalities and system of equation for notations, convenience, artificial intelligence. Scientists use different techniques of vector to solve problems of restructuring speeches recognition and machine translation. Linear regression. Regression is a branch of statistics that can be used to perform prediction for a given data set. The type of regression include simple, linear, multiple linear, polynomial and logistic. I may want to find out the relationship between how long I teach a student in a day and their test sources. I also may want to find out how much my expenditure is affected by my income. We can answer this with this regression. Matrix theory. In science fiction movies, you usually see that the preforming some computational structure similarly to the neural system. A neural system network has been provided by generating the connection between neurons to match the way of reasoning of a human brain. Calculus in data science. Calculus is absolutely key to understanding linear algebra and statistics you need in machine learning and data science. If you can understand machine learning method at the level of derivative, you will improve your initiation for how and when they work. Conclusion. In a nutshell, data science is used to identify pattern and by having an understanding of various mathematical notation, some of which are mentioned in post, pattern can be portrayed in such a way that can be analyzed, which is paramount for creating statistical model algorithm and process to accurately make decision